Okay guys, so let's talk about graphing inequalities. I already talked about solving in the other video. In this one, I want to talk about how do we graph. So basically, we're going to be graphing using our normal graphing function. So I'm going to go to Document, File, New Doc, add a graph. And to remember to be able to type all of this in, I have to go to my delete key, and then I can type in relation, and now I can type it in exactly how you see it up here. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. Negative 4, sorry, I should put negative 4x is less than. Remember to access that, we click the control key, then equals, and now I get these options. So I can set less than or equal to 6y minus 54, and I hit enter and it graphs it. Now I can't see it very well, so remember that to zoom out we click on menu, zoom out, and I'm able to see it a lot better. Now guys, I know it's not B, I know it's not D. Why? Because of the way it's shaded in. So it can't be B, can't be D. How do I know which between these two I should get, right? First of all, I could look at my sign. I do know that it's a solid line, so I know it has to be A, but let me show you another way that you could also check. Let's say that they were both solid lines and you just didn't know which one it was. What you could do is you could go to menu, and we can go to trace, and remember that graph trace is your best friend. If I use my arrow key, it can help me find my x and y intercepts. So on the up here, it even turned yellow. It says my y-intercept is at 0, 9. So I could look at my graph and I could kind of see, I know it's hard to see up here, but I see that this is at 9. And so is that one. So actually that would not help me. But I could also look at my x-intercept. So I'm going to go ahead and trace, same place. I just continue dragging along, and then it's going to find my x-intercept where it crosses the x-axis, and there it is. It's at 13.50. So I can look here, and I'm like, okay, this is 12, then this is 13, this is 14, this is actually a little bit off, it looks like in there, but this one's like at 6, so I know it definitely could not be that one. It had to be A. And that's it for that, you guys.